Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set alignment in Microsoft Word. It's quite easy. If you look at on my document, the document contains couple of pages, and in order to align them at once, you can hit Ctrl plus A in order to select all of your document. Then if you wanna align the text on right side, for that hit Ctrl plus R. If you wanna align the text on left side, for that hit Ctrl plus L. If you wanna align the text to the center, for that you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus E. And yeah, this is exactly how you can align text in Microsoft Word document. If you look at here, the image and paragraph is not looking good. So for that you can use one thing like Ctrl plus J. You just need to hit in order to like justify the text. If I hit Ctrl plus J, they're gonna distribute the text perfectly on both margins, like left and right. And many people prefer this, like in this whole Word document is looking good. So it is up to you, whichever you like, wherever you wanna align the text, you can go ahead with that. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.